What's up, guys? I just want to make a video talking about why indicators should be used as confirmations, not entries. Personally, I don't even use indicators a lot, and I've traded before purely off indicators like MACD, RSI, EMAs, and I've lost a lot of money. I much rather prefer trading actual price action, technical analysis, supply demand and support and resistance, and chart patterns. Indicators can be good and they can make you money. I'll use indicators like EMAs. I'll have them on my chart when I'm in a trade, just to keep me in the trade longer if I'm scalping. But I don't think you should use, like, in every circumstance, for example, buying calls when the RSI is at 30, or buying puts when the RSI is at 70, or doing this with a linear regression every single time. Because I feel like, or like even when like that EMA's cross, entering this every single time, stuff like that, I don't think it's actually consistent, and you shouldn't just base entries off that. I think, yeah, guys, personally, take it from me, I've traded a lot purely entering off indicators. I've tried them all: MACD, RSI, EMAs, basic simple indicators like that. If I was just entering off an indicator, not watching like price action or technical analysis, I'd lose. Yes, sometimes I'd win, but it's not consistent. I find trading support and resistance, simple support and resistance, and SNR flips and like consolidation breakout. I like that strategy much more than just trading off indicators. Yes, you should have them on your chart, like maybe have the 9 and the 20 EMA on your chart once you're in a trade, just to keep you in longer, and it can help when you should maybe stop out, stuff like that. But again, trading just off of indicators, I wouldn't do it. You have to remember, they're on your chart as